Hey guys, today's market sucked. So I'm sure if you guys or if any of you traded, you noticed that the market today was crap. There's nothing else to say. There was not much moving. The stuff that was moving didn't have a lot of volume. The follow through sucked. Um, but I still came out on top. Your boy is still green all of June. Came out on top. I made $249 this morning, but I don't know how I feel about it. It was not easy, and I didn't really follow all my rules. So there was a stock. What was it here? HEBT. So it spiked. It made a decent move, but it was on lower volume. And I saw it, and I didn't chase it. I waited for a good pullback to get in. And then when I got in, it dipped further, but it dipped into support. I didn't think it would dip all the way into support because I didn't think we were in that crappy of a market. So with that dip into support, I added more size. I can't remember how much size. I think I added 50% to my position, bringing down my average just so that when it did make its move towards high of day, that would be my new profit target rather than it breaking through, because I didn't think it would make it all the way down to support because I thought it would break through the pre-market highs, or sorry, the recent high. But now I'm kind of shifting my strategy, my plan to get in lower, but also to sell lower, because I don't think it's going to break through anymore. I think it might just surge towards it, and I'll sell into that surge. So that's what happened. But I felt like I was averaging down. I didn't feel good about that trade, even though I had a plan and I stuck to it. So I think that might just be because we're in a crappy market. So hopefully things turn around with the market. We can finish the week strong and continue to be green. So this is, I think, day 7 in a row green. So let's keep it up. Maybe I can do the whole month in green. So thank you guys for watching this. Let's go over the trades right now. Hey everyone. So with that said, yeah, today was just so choppy. Or it wasn't even choppy. It's almost like it didn't exist. There was no volume. There was nothing moving, which is kind of strange because we had some momentum yesterday that I thought would carry through to today. So I'll show you the trades. It was kind of sloppy, but like not terrible. I could have gotten out earlier on the first trade where I thought it would rebound before I got back in, and it actually did work out. But you'll see. I'll show you right here. Let's open her up and have a little peek. Hello. So there are a few stocks on the watch list today. NAKD looks okay over the pivot of 235. But we can see here there's a lot of sellers. 30,000 shares at 241. I guess that's not that bad, but I'd go in for a quick scalp for the pre-market highs. Maybe sell around 250. Take about 1,000 shares, maybe 1,500 shares. A couple other ones I'm watching. I'm just waiting for volume to come into them. I'm not sure yet what's going to happen. I have a bunch of charts on my other monitor. I'm just going to watch them. The bell rings in 8 seconds. 5 seconds, so we'll see here. Take a starter here. Stop at 220 if I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong. So I only took 500 shares for that just in case I was wrong. And I was in fact wrong. For now, at least. Over 227 we could jump up.
Order
I'm
partially
in again.
filled. Order filled.
For the break at 227.
Order partially filled.
Added
Order filled.
1,000 for the break of 227. I'm not out yet. I'm not going to sell into a flush quite yet. I might have to sell out here at 210. If it keeps breaking down.
Order
Yeah, I'm out.
partially filled.
That's unfortunate, but that's okay.
Order filled.
I was willing to take that risk. We might finally get our opportunity here on NAKD. 215, I'm going to try to...
Order filled. Order partially filled.
See if we get a pop. Little more, and I'll sell out.
Order partially
There we
filled.
go.
Order filled.
Still have 400 shares, trying to get them
Order
out.
filled.
I'm all out now. I turned a loser into a winner. That's the pop I was initially waiting for.
Order
In with a
partially
starter
filled.
here. At the
Order
close to
filled.
the 200 moving average. Maybe we'll make a break of 265.
Order filled.
Trying to see a break over
Order
250
cancelled.
here.
Order cancelled. Order partially filled.
I'm getting some sloppy fills on
Order
this. My
cancelled.
God.
Filled.
That was acting really, really weird. I should have sold up there. I didn't mean to do that.
Order filled.
Stop at
Order partially filled.
270 for NNDM. There's a big buyer there, so I would sell into him. I'm gonna take this for the move up towards the moving average of $3. Or at least, well, the pre-market high here is 290. So I'm just gonna hold on to this for now. Maybe take, I don't know. I don't know where I'm not sure if I want to take profit yet. Yeah, I
Order
do.
filled.
I sold it into that bid there that was sitting there at 279. So you can see there on, like I said, on HEBT, it was just kind of sloppy. I played it well, but then into this pop here, you can see I had an order out to sell my shares at 260. Thank God that didn't get hit because I don't know. Maybe I would have gone short by accident because I had that order out plus my two orders that I just put here. I was trying to sell into this pop and I was up so much. You can see my unrealized. That's the trade that I was hoping for and I was trying to do, but I fumbled with my hotkeys. I fumbled with my order. So whatever, right? Whatever. It's good that I didn't react negatively or impulse trade or have an emotional reaction because of that. Like, I was pissed, but I didn't trade based on being pissed off or something. So whatever. Like, that happens. I fumbled a bit. I took another trade on Corv. I'm not sure if I showed that, but I bought in at 313 and sold out at 312, 310. Just a small loser. So my P&L is over here. We're finishing the day pretty well. We're up 198. 198 or 257. I traded Corv, HEBT, NAKD, NNDM. Decent trading except for HEBT was kind of sketchy and didn't get the exit that I planned on or wanted because that was my plan. I kind of knew that was going to happen or thought that it was going to happen, and then it did end up happening. I just didn't get my fill. I was just, I don't know, whatever. So finishing the day green, can't complain. I have a feeling today was really hard to do well, so I'm glad that I turned a profit, but I was using 2,400 shares on that one position. I didn't mean to, like, I don't know. I should have stayed in with my initial 1500 or something, but I was really determined and willing to take that risk that it might not work out and I could lose some profit on the day. So that was the only play that I had full conviction in, that I really thought was going to happen. And it did. I just screwed it up. So whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please keep subscribing. Hold on. I was looking at my videos here. We're up to 133. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to do a giveaway at 250. I'm going to give someone $25 worth of Bitcoin. And then at 500, I'm going to do $50 worth of Bitcoin. It's going to be sick. So if you guys could please subscribe, I would love that. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Ask me any questions. If you have any, leave some comments. And with that, I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.